The purpose of this video is to take you through an essay so that you can see how the Rogerian essay is set up. I also will show you the fine points of page setup. Notice that the header includes the last name and the page number, which will change throughout the paper. And the MLA format includes an inverted date. That's very important. The title is centered. The paper must present both sides of the issue in a fair manner, each side one at a time. So we begin the paper here with a story that can get the reader into the topic, and the thesis statement, which presents both sides and names of organizations or types of people who are affected by this issue are listed with their positions in the thesis statement at the end of the conclusion. Using that very same order, we begin with presentation of one of the sides in the next body paragraph. Notice that the particular source is mentioned by title, its resource listed, and its author. A summary statement is made, and then the points that are representative of that side are placed into this paragraph. Each of them is cited, and there are no quotes in a row without analysis in between. The paragraph ends with a transition statement, which leads to, obviously, the other side. Now, the other side is introduced in the same manner, and then it is given in specific information so that the reader will understand their position. Now, this position is more complicated than the other one, so it has several more paragraphs. Notice that in this particular paragraph, there is a quote within the reference, and this is how you accomplish that in MLA format. And again, because it's complicated, there is another paragraph to help to explain it, and there is a summary statement which is introduced very carefully rather than dropped quotes. You do not want to have just a quote without an introduction, such as the author. There is a conclusion statement, and then it is followed by a conclusion to the paper, which presents a position taken by the author of this particular paper. However, it does talk about weighing the two sides, and in the end it does advise finding a common ground, and that is a very reasonable conclusion to make when presenting a Rogerian paper. The works cited page is separate. It is not a separate document, but it is a separate page. Notice that the second and third lines are indented and that resources are italicized. We do not use underlines since we can italicize with a computer. I hope that this has helped you.